Today, we're going to talk about baking soda, something almost everyone has in their kitchen, but that is surrounded by a lot of misinformation. I often get questions like, is baking soda good for the stomach? Does it really whiten teeth? Can it be used every day? So today, I researched baking soda from start to finish, what it's good for, when it can be helpful, when it can be harmful, and who should definitely stay away from it. I'll explain everything without exaggeration, without fear-mongering, and based on scientific facts. If you watch until the end, you'll know how to use baking soda the right way. What is baking soda? Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural compound with an alkaline structure. It is best known as a leavening agent in baking, but its uses go far beyond that. When it comes into contact with acids, it releases carbon dioxide gas. This is what allows dough to rise, and it also explains why it can temporarily neutralize stomach acid. What does baking soda do? When used correctly and in moderation, baking soda may offer benefits in certain situations. It may temporarily balance stomach acid. It may help relieve indigestion and heartburn. It may help reduce bad breath. It may support healing of mouth sores. It may soothe skin itching and irritation. It may help neutralize unpleasant odors. It can be used as a natural alternative for household cleaning. But there is one very important point here. Baking soda is not a medicine and should not be used every day. Baking soda and the stomach. Baking soda can neutralize stomach acid. That's why some people turn to baking soda water when they experience heartburn. However, this effect is temporary. When used continuously, it can disrupt the stomach's natural acid balance and even cause the opposite effect. Therefore, it should be used occasionally and in small amounts. Baking soda for oral and dental health. Because baking soda can suppress bacteria, it may help reduce bad breath, help remove surface stains on teeth. However, frequent use may wear down tooth enamel. It may lead to tooth sensitivity. For this reason, it is not suitable for daily toothbrushing. Using baking soda on the skin. Baking soda may provide temporary relief for insect bites, itching, and mild irritation when used in a diluted form. However, it can cause redness and burning on sensitive skin. Testing it on a small area first is essential. Side effects and risks of baking soda. With excessive or careless use, high sodium intake, increased blood pressure, increased strain on the kidneys, digestive system problems, damage to tooth enamel, allergenic skin reactions may occur. In other words, being natural does not mean it is harmless. Who should not use baking soda? Especially pregnant individuals, people with high blood pressure, those with kidney disease, individuals who use medications regularly should not use baking soda without consulting a doctor. Does baking soda help with weight loss? This is a very common question. The answer is clear: no. There is no scientific evidence that baking soda burns fat or causes weight loss. Expecting it to be a miracle solution would be misleading. Baking soda, when used in the right place, in the right amount, and only occasionally, may provide certain benefits, but using it constantly, carelessly, or as a cure-all can be harmful. What matters most is balance and knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.